it's Florina. Today's my first vlog. So excited. That's my husband. Where are we going?
To the Cherry Ridge Gun Range.
To the Cherry Ridge Gun Range. Is that in Cherry Ridge, New Jersey?
That is in West Milford, New Jersey.
Why do they call it Cherry Ridge?
That's just the name of the
Maybe
range.
there's cherry blossoms.
There may be.
And what are we going to shoot? We're going to shoot his brand new gun because if I get a purse, that means he gets a gun.
The HK MR556A1.
Yeah. See you when we get there. We are still driving. It is taking a long time. There's a lot of trees. For anybody who didn't think there was trees in New Jersey, there are trees. Are we there yet?
Almost.
How much longer?
Almost.
Well, how much is that?
Almost.
So, is there going to be a lot of kick on this gun?
No, none whatsoever. All women out there, I encourage you to shoot AR-15s.
And what about that gun that I shot that gave me like a little...
Oh, that's a 308. That's a big round.
It wasn't bad though.
No, you handled it like a champ. I was very impressed. I was a proud husband.
So I shoot a, what do I shoot? A 308. And I'm going to shoot today a
223.
223, which is smaller than a 308. You were thinking about getting the 308 HK.
Yes.
Okay. And then I also have shot a 9mm.
9, 45.
45, 9.
38 special.
38 special. And I'm shooting a 308 today. And I shot a 308 at the gun range. That was the one that had a little bit more kick,
Yep.
but not too much. And today I'm going to shoot a, what was it again?
223.
223. And we're still driving, just in case. We're still driving.
I forgot.
Well, I see the word range, so we're almost there. So we are in the range.
Holy crap, it's busy.
It's busy?
Yeah, never seen it like this.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Hopefully, nothing.
We don't get VIP?
I don't know. Give me the 50.
Is there valet?
Glasses on.
Babe, where are we setting up here? I got an old... Of course, I forgot to take pictures of it.
Get ready to shoot it.
Mine don't jiggle that much.
Why is it priced at this price point?
Because it's the Heckler and Koch.
Best gun you could buy.
So, but why?
Because you paid
Because
for
they
the
build
name.
it to outstanding measures. Excellence.
This is a trophy. This is.
You know, my MSAR, that's the scope. I don't like the 3x9 Nikon. It's 308.
Everybody's so friendly at the range.
It's like a family.
I like Magpulse.
Behind the L1.
Behind the L.L.C.
Screaming because something's wrong.
What?
We got in trouble.
Marry him.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
We are walking to where you put the target out. That's where we were. And we're walking out. Let's see how good I shot. Wait, I want to see my holes.
Oh,
So that
you
was
did
mine.
good. These are all yours.
These are all mine. I hit the paper, which is good. I didn't get a bullseye, but I was close. I found that it was shooting, like if I aimed here, I was getting that. So.
Still?
Well, no, I got, yeah,
Okay.
You got in trouble.
I did?
You were talking too much.
I do?
That other guy watches Nothing Fancy.
I know, that's why I got all
He
excited.
was like, you know, Nothing Fancy. And I was like, oh, Nothing Fancy. I can help with some dots.
Here.
So you take a little dot,
It's getting humid out.
yeah, and you cover the hole so that you can shoot your target again.
And like it's a brand new target.
It's like a brand new target. These like the luxury brand of this.
This is good, yeah, because they make the color when you shoot them.
And then you can 50 yards?
Yeah, hundreds out there.
Oh. Oh, that's a, can we go out there?
Yeah, but we don't have the scopes, so there's no point.
Oh, okay.
Because my wife buys Chanel, not scopes.
Isn't this gun equivalent to Chanel?
A Chanel, but not.
From what I recall, the price that I paid, if my YouTubers watch my video, which I will link here, I paid less for my Chanel than you did this gun. Husband and wife gun day. Oh.
Sunday gun day.
Sunday gun day. We are all ready to go.
He's cool, he does a lot of good videos though.
Yeah, it does a lot of good videos.
We're going to buy a bunch of guns so we can shoot that.
That's why I bought my PB.
First one?
At the gun range.
What was that, like April?
Nice. Surprise, that actually doesn't shoot too much. Very macking.
My husband's shooting his
Like
K31.
what? 375. You don't pay nothing.
He loves guns. So we are all done with the gun range and we're on our way home. How did I do, babe?
Amazing.
You could look straight, babe.
I'm extremely impressed with my wife's abilities.
And what did you think of your gun first time you got to actually shoot it?
It did not let me down. I'm happy I have it.
Any more details?
No. Happy.
All right, thanks for watching. Again, Shopettes, I'm on my iPhone, so it might look a little different. My camera died. But thank you so much for watching. And remember, subscribe below. Bye. Say bye, babe.
Bye-bye.